In session 12 of our athlete camp, our kettlebell coach, Jason Dick, will be running our kettlebell workshop. He'll cover the fundamentals of kettlebell work from which we can build everything else. You'll learn how to complete efficient, fast, and effective kettlebell cycling. In the swing, we'll cover the difference between strength power and strength endurance and when and how you should use each. You'll learn the most efficient techniques to enhance your power and reduce fatigue in the kettlebell clean and jerk. And you'll experience an in-depth breakdown on the ultimate kettlebell exercise, the snatch, training to maximize power and endurance. This session contains 3 different modules, focusing on the swing, on the clean and jerk, and on the snatch. Presented by Range of Motion and a team of 8 subject matter expert coaches presenting 24 modules, the Athlete Camp is an intensive and comprehensive weekend of athlete development and education for CrossFit athletes of all abilities from all locations. To learn more or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/athletecamp. I hope to see you there.